Today is Friday Sews, where we share a little bit about life and a little bit about sewing. Remember last week I told you I was trying to figure out how to turn my rag doll. I'll insert a picture here so you can see the before of my rag doll. I wanted to turn her into a mermaid doll. And so I sat down and I drew up a pattern for a mermaid tail. And I practiced first on some scrap fabric. And I ended up with this design. And look at how cute it looks like on my doll. Here she is. Isn't that cute? She came out so cute. I love it. So cute. There she is, swimming, swimming, swimming. Anyway, I added some more blue fabric into her hair to give her that more mermaid look. And then I added some ponytails up here with some ribbons. And I will have my tutorial video coming out soon on how to make this mermaid tail. And I'll have a link to get my free pattern of this mermaid tail in that description box. I used a different free pattern that I got on YouTube from Lily's Designs. And I'll link her video. You watch her video and then she'll tell you how to get her free pattern for this top. This is a bodice top that goes to a dress, but I just took that bodice top and cut the sides down a little smaller to fit this doll, and it's a really easy, cool pattern. So I'll link Lily's Designs YouTube channel in my description box today if you want to look for this pattern for the top. And then I added some cute little seashell buttons, if that will focus there. So that was so much fun to make and change her into a mermaid doll. That was so much fun to work on. The tutorial for this mermaid tail will be posted probably tomorrow or the next day. So be looking for that. And today I'm wearing Butterick 5456. It's a really cute dress that's very comfortable. And it's made out of this stretchy knit, very like a brushed, almost like a brush poly. It's very, very soft, and I just love it. It's a little chilly here today in Florida, and so this dress is nice and warm and cozy. So if you want to hear more about this dress, I'll link that video in my description box where I talk a little bit more about the pattern and what I liked or didn't like about it. So that'll be in the description box below also. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Y'all have a so blessed day. Bye for now.